This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1, getting started with sounds and simple words. Day 4, Sound and Read. Short I words. Let's recall these sounds. You gotta say it with me. Say ah, ah. Say it again. Ah, ah. Eh, eh. Say it with me. Eh, eh. Now the sound of short I. Say eh, eh. One more time. Eh, eh. Cat, cat. Say cat, cat. One more time. Cat. Pen, pen. Say pen, pen. Is. Say is. One more time. Is. Let's start reading the short I words. You gotta read aloud when I pause. So listen first, then when I pause, read aloud. Let's begin. Pin, pin. Sin, sin. Tin, tin. Win, win. Pit, pit. Sit, sit. Lit, lit. Wit, wit. Lip, lip. Sip, sip. Tip, tip. Hip, hip. Now read after me. Read aloud when I pause. Let's begin. Pin, pin. Pit, pit. Lip, lip. Sin, sin. Sit, sit. Sip, sip. Tin, tin. Lit, lit. Tip, tip. Win, win. Wit, wit. Hip, hip. Now, dear parents, ready your child's writing paper and pencil. Let them write down the words I am about to dictate. Let's begin. First word. Sit, sit. Hip, hip. Win, win. Dear kids, let's check your answer. If you got all words correct, great job. But if you got one mistake or two, don't worry. You could always go back and try again. Let's do reading check. Dear parents, let's do a final check. Parents, mark one box for each successful try. First, second, third, or mastered. If your child can read all the words easily, that means they're ready for the next lesson. Let's begin. Great work today, kids. Keep practicing these short I words. See you tomorrow for day 5. We'll have new words to read and write together. This is Teacher Janelle. Ta-ta for now.